things you do. I like it when I'm with you. Say, ooh la la, you got me feeling right. I'm in a better light. I like it when I'm with you. Ooh la la, ooh la la, yeah. Ooh la la, ooh la la, yeah. Ooh la la, ooh la la,
Coffee house.
ooh la la, yeah. Ooh la la, ooh la la, yeah. Ooh la la, ooh la la, yeah. I like it when I'm with you. Life is always better, eh-oh, eh-oh, when we are together, eh-oh, eh-oh. We're walking on cold rays. These are the best days. These are the best days. These are the best days.
Welcome to I have no idea where. We have no idea what the city name is, and we're all pretty hungover with fatigue, not gonna lie. We arrived at 4 in the morning to our hotel, so Chris is the only one who stayed awake, and he literally saw the sunset and the sunrise. Now the rest of us very uncomfortably tried to sleep in the car. It's finally a sunny day in Iceland. Now I feel overdressed. It's like hot all of a sudden, where it's been freezing. We're off to find some breakfast at 1 in the afternoon. I think we're on day 4 in Iceland. Is this day 4? I think it's day 4. Harry, you loving the sunshine? Harry just came down here and plopped himself right down on that grass. Ready to take a nap, huh, Hair Bear? Welcome to our game in Iceland, where we attempt to say Icelandic words. Okay, here's the word, Lincoln. Why don't you go ahead and tell us how you think it sounds?
Panda Sofa?
Very good. Okay, Grant, what's your guess?
Panda Sofa.
Tanlekanastofa. Doing this one right here. Both of these words. Okay, Ashley.
Veitengastar Coffee House.
Oh, yeah, nailed it. Veitengastur Coffee House. Okay, here's our new word. Snirtustofanalda.
Snirtustofanalda.
Hey, that's
that
what I
sounded
said.
good.
Yeah. Okay, Ashley.
Snartistofan.
You guys are barely even talking.
Snartustofananda.
Hey, that was good. There we go. You're doing it.
Your division.
Okay. What do you think this sign says?
Banana.
Banana. Very good.
Guiding light, northern star, tethered hope, pulls my heart, it carries me along. So I keep on chasing dreams, 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 dreams. The universe draws me in, horizon line keeps on calling and pulling me along. So I keep on chasing dreams, dreams, dreams. guiding light, northern star, tethered hope holds my heart. How does a light shine in the dark? How does a fire start from a spark? There's no better way, there's no better start. Won't give in, won't give up. And we're building up a castle from the ground. I hope you're ready, 'cause we're coming out. Gotta come together, my friends. We will be together to the end.
That's okay. I'm a softie. Tell me how you feel, Grace. What's going on? Grace, I don't even know what's bothering you.
She wants to go back and play. She doesn't want to go to the car. They're all kind of done with the car, and they've got 4 more days of the car.
Well, that does help. Look at those boys over there. What are they doing?
Have you ever saw the science clip? Oh my gosh, wait.
We will be together to the end. Climbing every mountain to the together forever, my friend. Yeah. Together forever, my friend. Yeah.
All right, everybody. We came to the end of an amazing day. We literally have been going from the moment we woke up until now.
No. We've been going since like Friday morning. We get up and go. We get to our hotel like 4 in the morning, sleep, and get up and go again.
We barely sleep,
It's the life.
and then we go for 12 hours.
I know. We're driving in a single lane tunnel.
But there are 2 ways of cars.
But
That's right.
it's like way complicated,
Some
yeah.
genius was like, look, let's just not worry about the other lane.
No, they obviously was a lot of work to get this tunnel dug, so they only dug 1 lane.
A lot of work. I could have my boys dig this out in a couple days.
Oh yeah, sure.